Hello. So I'm going to show you how I edit my videos for YouTube, which can be really helpful for teachers who need a free program to use to edit their videos. So we're going to jump right in and we're going to hop into PowerPoint. So obviously, in order to use PowerPoint, you have to download it. But if you already have PowerPoint, then you're all set. If not, you have one other option if you have a Windows computer that I'm going to show you in just a minute. So to start with, I'm going to get rid of these text boxes, and we're going to insert video. And I'm going to pick one from my PC, my computer, in other words. And so we'll go to pictures, and gosh, I don't even know where to start. Nope. Actually, sure. Okay, so here's my video that I use for something else. I'm going to fill it to the screen. We're going to go to playback, trim video, and then I can trim down whatever I want. I can play it and trim it down. I can do whatever. So I'll pretend like I trimmed it. The only thing with that is you can only trim from the sides, not in the middle. So if I wanted to do a middle trim, I would do this, say OK. Then I right click, duplicate slide, click on the second slide, go into playback, and you'll see it has this. So I bring my green to where I trimmed it before, and I bring it over, and then I trim out what I don't want, say OK. Then to make this into a video, I want it to play automatically. I'm going to mute it because I don't want you to hear what it's saying because it's annoying. So automatically, and then adjust the volume. It's all trimmed. Then I go to transitions, and I make my duration as little as possible. And then we'll say after, and apply to all. So on this video, it is 11.9. So I'll just type that in here, 11.9. So that'll automatically end this slide and make it move on to either the end of the video or whatever is after the slide. So then 11.84. And I find this number right here at the bottom on my video when I pull the gray bar to the end. All right, I can add in things in here, but basically this is all I do. If you wanted to add in a slide and leave it on there for a couple seconds, you can do that as well. But then I go to File, Export, Create a Video, and then you can adjust how large you want the file size to be. I usually go with HD or full HD, just because I don't really care to have huge, high-quality videos on my PC. And then use recorded timings and narrations. And then you click Create Video. It'll let you, well, here. You type the name, and then you show where you want to save it, and then it will load it from here, and then you'll be all good. Okay, so now that I have shared with you how to use PowerPoint as an editor, I am going to show you how to use your photos or your video editor that comes with your computer if you have a Windows computer. So you're going to go down to the search bar, whatever that search bar looks like for you, and you can just type in photos. There's two ways to get to the app that we're using. So you can use photos is one way, and then up at the top it says collection, album, people, folders, video editor, and that's where you want to be. The other way to get here is to simply type in video editor, and it should come up as this app. So you can go either way, whatever your computer allows you to do. This will take you right to the video editor. So then you're going to click on New Project, New Video Project, and then you will want to probably name your video. So name goes here. And then you can add from your PC, from the web, the video that you would like to edit. So after you've filmed, you can do this. So since I may actually use this as the editing project for this video, I just put my editing video part 1 in here. So I'll drag that down. You can add pictures as well, and it's simply the same thing. So when you want to edit a block, you simply click it. I'll add a title card here, and then I'll click on text to choose what kind of style I want, I guess. So I can also change the background color to whatever I want. The other thing is that I could edit the videos and then use PowerPoint as my actual video editor if I wanted to add something to the beginning of this that this one couldn't have. So then I can preview it by clicking play. Just goes through it. If I were to use this one, things move on there. Simple, very simple. That's simple. Classic. So you have lots of options for your video, as you can see. Ooh. Okay, then we'll click done. Then if I want to trim my video from either end, I trim it down. So I can trim that down if I'd like. Otherwise, I can also add text. And I can change where it is placed on the screen if I care. Or I can just not have text, which is probably what I'll do. If I'm going to remove part of the clip, I will have to click split. And then it'll let me choose a spot, and then I can click done, and then it'll split it in two. I can also undo that, which is, oh, that's just rotating it. Just kidding. Where's my undo? Oh, up here. I can undo that. So there's lots of other effects and things that I can do with this. You can change the speed of a certain part. But it's something to mess around with. Those are the main things. Then when you're done, you click finish video, you export it, and then it lets you save it just like PowerPoint will. So those are 2 simple ways of editing your video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it if you enjoyed it, and then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you're notified whenever I create new content. Check out my Teachers Pay Teachers store. The link is in the video description box down below. I have a bunch of freebies on there, as well as items that you can purchase and download. Then check out my Instagram, where you can find all of the things that I'm working on, including videos and TPT content, as well as just life as a teacher. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!